Our liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. It is responsible for filtering toxins from our blood, producing bile to aid in digestion, and storing essential nutrients. However, our liver can become damaged due to a variety of factors, such as excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, and certain medical conditions. If you've been diagnosed with liver damage or are looking to improve the health of your liver, incorporating certain foods into your diet can help support its repair and function. Here are 10 foods that are known to be beneficial for liver health. 1. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that help activate enzymes in the liver that can help flush out toxins. It also contains allicin and selenium, which are both beneficial for liver health. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that can help reduce inflammation in the liver. It also contains curcumin, which has been shown to help protect the liver from damage. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help support liver function. They also contain chlorophyll, which can help detoxify the liver. 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower contain compounds that can help increase the production of enzymes in the liver that aid in detoxification. They are also rich in fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver. They also contain antioxidants and amino acids that can help support liver health. 6. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage. They also contain fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. 7. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver. It also contains compounds that can help improve liver function and protect it from damage. 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help reduce inflammation in the liver. It also contains antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage. 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver. They also contain protein and amino acids that can help support liver health. 10. Beetroot. Beetroot is a root vegetable that is rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help support liver function. It also contains betaine, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help support the health of your liver and aid in its repair. However, it is important to remember that a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption are also important factors in maintaining a healthy liver. If you have been diagnosed with liver damage or are concerned about your liver health, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment. Remember, your liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in your overall health, so taking care of it is essential for your well-being.